Motocross is one of the most dangerous sports in the world. The speed, the height, and the daring stunts all combine into breathtaking moments that leave fans in awe. But behind that thrill lies a dark reality. One small mistake can change everything. And for Jeremy Lusk, one of freestyle motocross's brightest stars, that danger became devastatingly real. Jeremy wasn't just another motocross racer. He was a rising legend. Known for his fearless riding style and his ability to push limits, he had already won gold at the X Games and captured the respect of fans and competitors worldwide. People called him a pioneer in freestyle motocross because he was attempting tricks that very few dared to even practice. His career seemed unstoppable, and at only 24 years old, his future was shining brighter than ever. On February 7, 2009, Jeremy traveled to Costa Rica to compete in the X-Nights freestyle motocross competition. The stadium was packed, the energy was electric, and fans were eager to see one of the sport's most daring riders showcase his unmatched skills. Jeremy had performed countless backflips and technical stunts before, but this night would take a tragic turn. As the crowd roared, Jeremy prepared for his next jump. He launched off the ramp, performing a trick that he had mastered before, a heart attack backflip. For a split second, everything looked perfect, but in midair, he lost control. Instead of landing smoothly, Jeremy came crashing down head first onto the dirt. The sound of impact silenced the stadium. Thousands of fans gasped in horror. Within seconds, paramedics rushed onto the track, realizing how severe the situation was. Jeremy wasn't moving. His helmet had taken the brunt of the impact, but the force was so violent that it caused massive head and spinal injuries. He was rushed to Calderon Guardia Hospital in San Jose, Costa Rica. Doctors immediately placed him into a medically induced coma, trying desperately to stabilize him. His wife, Lauren, along with his closest friends and family, flew to Costa Rica praying for a miracle. Around the world, the motocross community held its breath, waiting for updates, hoping one of the sport's brightest stars would pull through. But as the hours passed, the news grew darker. The injuries were catastrophic. Jeremy's brain swelling was severe, and doctors knew his chances of recovery were slim. Despite their efforts, Jeremy Lusk passed away on February 10, 2009, just 3 days after the accident. He was only 24 years old. The motocross world was devastated. Tributes poured in from fellow riders, fans, and organizations worldwide. Many called Jeremy a hero who had inspired a new generation of freestyle motocross riders. His daring spirit and willingness to push limits would forever be remembered. But his death also sparked an important conversation about safety in freestyle motocross. Riders and event organizers began to rethink protective gear, landing ramp designs, and medical preparedness at competitions. Jeremy's accident was a heartbreaking reminder that while motocross is thrilling, the risks are always there, and sometimes even the most skilled athletes pay the ultimate price. Jeremy Lusk's last minutes weren't just a tragedy. They were a reflection of the fine line that exists between glory and danger in extreme sports. He lived doing what he loved, chasing the thrill and inspiring millions. His legacy continues to live on, not only in the memories of fans and family, but also in the advancements in safety that his accident pushed the sport toward. To this day, when motocross fans look back, Jeremy's name remains etched into the history of the sport, both as a champion and as a cautionary tale of just how dangerous the pursuit of greatness can be. Jeremy Lusk's story is one of extraordinary talent, fearless risk-taking, and a passion for freestyle motocross that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. Known for his explosive energy and daring style, Lusk had earned his place as one of the sport's brightest stars. But with the adrenaline and innovation came enormous danger, a danger that tragically revealed itself during his final moments. On February 7, 2009, Jeremy competed in a freestyle motocross event at the X-Nights competition in San Jose, Costa Rica. Thousands of fans cheered as he took to the course, displaying breathtaking skill. Among his many tricks was the infamous heart attack backflip, a move that only the boldest riders attempted. Lusk, always pushing limits, attempted the maneuver with absolute focus. But in freestyle motocross, the line between perfection and catastrophe is razor thin. As he soared through the air, spectators gasped in awe. Yet in that very moment, disaster struck. Lusk's rotation fell slightly short. Instead of landing cleanly, the bike's front wheel pitched forward, sending him crashing headfirst into the ground. The arena fell into stunned silence as emergency crews rushed to him. The horrific crash left him unconscious with severe head and spinal injuries. Fans who moments before were roaring with excitement now watched in horror, realizing they had just witnessed something devastating. Lusk was immediately rushed to Calderon Guardia Hospital in San Jose, Costa Rica. Doctors fought tirelessly to save him, performing emergency surgery to relieve brain swelling. His fellow riders, friends, and wife Lauren gathered at his side, clinging to hope. The motocross world held its breath. For 2 agonizing days, prayers and messages of support poured in from across the globe. But on February 10, 2009, Jeremy Lusk tragically passed away at just 24 years old. His death sent shockwaves not only through the motocross community, but also across sports and entertainment worldwide. Jeremy was not just a rider, he was an innovator, a champion, and a beloved figure whose charisma lit up every arena. His passing was a painful reminder of the extreme risks athletes face when pushing human limits in search of greatness. Today, Jeremy Lusk is remembered as a legend, someone who lived and died doing what he loved most. His bravery and fearless spirit continued to inspire new generations of riders, even as his final moments serve as a haunting reminder of the sport's dangers.